The civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for Boston County, Greene County, Northern County. This dangerous event is a far tornado. It is a dangerous anomaly. If you see a green tornado outside of your house, seek immediate shelter, or you will face instant death. Follow instructions, or will face instant death. Bring radio with you. Cover all blinds. Get to fallout shelter or bomb shelter. The fart tornado will blow you with farts that will blow you over 5 miles, and you will die after you get farted. If can't get to shelter, get with family and face your last moments.